So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set the side button to open Google Assistant instead of Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So by default, when you long press on the side button, it brings up Bixby. Now Bixby is Samsung's Google Assistant, but let's say you want Google Assistant, okay? So the trick is to just set up Bixby, okay? So if you go into settings, and then under settings, go to advanced features, tap on that, and then tap on Bixby. It's going to prompt you to set up Bixby. All right. Now when you set up Bixby and just set everything up, of course, following the on-screen instructions, now inside this Bixby settings is where you can change the default assistant to Google. So you can scroll. So now inside Bixby, after it's set up, it's going to look like this. Okay. So you can now scroll and see side button settings. If you tap on that, you can see that a long press on this button allows you to change from Bixby to Google Assistant. Okay. And so now once you do that, now when you long press this, it opens up Google Assistant or Gemini. Okay. Which is more or less the same thing. Okay, so you can see it's now Gemini instead of Bixby. So that is basically how to remap this button to Google Assistant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.